Good morning students, this is class 11th maths lecture 9th of chapter 7th permutations and combinations. So see question 4th of miscellaneous exercise. If the different permutations of all the letters of the word examination are listed as in a dictionary, how many words are there in this list before the first word starting with E? So they are saying that if you will list the words formed from the word examination in the dictionary, then how many words will come before the first word starting with E? So see, according to the letters in this word examination, A is there. So we have to list the words starting with A, right? After then, B is not in this word. The letter C is also not in this word. The letter D is also not in this word. Therefore, after listing the word starting with A, the first word with E letter will come, right? Therefore, we will just calculate the words starting with A because only these words will be listed before the first word starting with E, right? Now, because we want to find the word starting with A, so fix the first place with A. Right, now these rest 10 places and also except one A, now the rest 10 letters are these. So these rest 10 places can be filled with these 10 letters in, these are 10 letters divided by 2 factorial because I is repeating twice, also N is repeating twice. So this 2 factorial is for I and this 2 factorial is for N. Right, so the rest 10 letters can be arranged in this many ways and the first letter has only one way, right, because it is filled with A. So total words which will start with A are these, and these are the words only which will come in the list before the first word starting with E, right? Now, question number 10th is, from a class of 25 students, 10 are to be chosen for an excursion party. There are 3 students who decide that either all of them will join or none of them will join. In how many ways can the excursion party be chosen? So, see, out of 25, 10 students are to be chosen, right? Now, there are 3 students who decide that either all of them will go or none of them will go. So, first case will be, let us consider that all the 3 students decided to go. So, these 3 students decide to go, right? We want to select 3. Now, these 3 will definitely go. So, out of 3, all 3 will go. Into, now, out of 25, 3 are already chosen. So, the options now left are 22, right? And out of 10, 3 are selected, therefore 7 are left. So from the left 22 students, we will select 7, right? So this is 1 and this will be 22C7. We will not solve it, right? Leave it as it is. Now when these 3 students will not go, they decide that they will not go. So out of these 3, no one will go, right? So 3C0 into, now the options left are 22 because these 3 students will not go, but we have to select all the 10 students. So for this case, number of ways will be 22C10, right? So total ways will be, add both of the ways of these cases, that is 22C7 plus 22C10. Now we will discuss the summary of chapter 7th. First is fundamental principle of counting, which says that the first event can be done in m ways and the second event can be done in n ways. Then the total number of ways of occurring both the events will be m into n. Now second point is n factorial, which is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to 1. That is product of all the natural numbers starting from 1 up to n, right? Here n is a natural number and 0 factorial is equal to 1. Now comes the permutation. I have already told you we use permutation for the arrangement, right? Now if we have to arrange r objects, n objects are given, and if we have to arrange r objects at a time, and when all the n objects are distinct and repetition is not there, then it can be done in NPR ways, which is equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial, and r goes from 1 to n. Now when the objects are distinct but repetition is allowed, then it can be done in n raised to the power r, right? For example, to see this, in how many ways you can make 4-letter words from the letters of the word table. Now objects are distinct, but we can repeat the objects, and we have to make 4-letter words. So these are the 4 places to fill. We have 5 letters, all are distinct. For first place we have 5 options. Now because the letters can be repeated, for the second place also 5 options, for the third place also 5 options, for the fourth place also 5 options. Therefore total ways is 5 raised to the power 4, right? Because here n is 5 letters are there, and r, that is we are using at a time 4 letters to make a 4-letter word. So r is 4. So when objects are distinct but repetition is allowed, then the ways are n raised to the power r. So n is 5, r is 4. So the answer will be 5 raised to the power 4. Now the cases when objects are not distinct. For example, if you have to make 6-digit numbers which can be formed from the digits 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1. Now the objects are not distinct because 3 is repeating twice, and we have to make 6-digit number, and these are 6 digits only, right? Which can be arranged in 6 factorial divided by, because 3 is repeating twice, so divided by 2 factorial. So you will get these many 6-digit numbers, right? Now combination is used for the selection. If n objects are given and at a time we have to select r objects, then it can be done in NCR ways, which is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial, where r goes from 1 to n, right? For example, if you have to choose 5 books out of 8, then it can be done in 8C 5 ways, right? Now suppose if they say that 2 books are compulsory to choose, that is, it is mandatory that you have to choose out of these 8 books. 2 books are compulsory that you have to choose them. Now see, 8 books are there. 2 are compulsory plus other 6 books, right? And we have to choose 5. Because these 2 are compulsory, therefore we have to choose these 2. Plus out of these 6, we just have to choose 3, because 3 plus 2 is 5, right? So number of ways will be, out of these 2, both the books, so 2C2 into, out of these 6, 3, so it will be 6C3, right? Now if they says if 2 books are never chosen, that is, out of these 8 books, these are divided into 2 plus 6, these 2 books should never be selected, and the rest 6 books, right? Now we have to choose 5 because these are never chosen. Therefore out of these 2 we will not select any book, so 0, plus from the rest 6 we will select 5. So number of ways will be, out of these 2 0, so it will be 2C0 into, out of these 6 5, so 6C5, right? So these are the type of questions which you have to practice, okay? So your homework is prepare for the test.